On the International Day of Peace, the United Nations calls for a complete cessation of hostilities around the world. We also ask people everywhere to observe a minute of silence at noon local time to honor the victims, those who have lost their lives, and those who survived but must now cope with trauma and pain. The theme of this year's observance is Sustainable Peace for a Sustainable Future. Armed conflicts attack the very pillars of sustainable development. Natural resources must be used for the benefit of society, not to finance wars. Children should be in school, not recruited into armies. National budgets should focus on building human capacity, not deadly weapons. On the International Day of Peace, I call on combatants around the world to find peaceful solutions to their conflicts. Let us all work together for a safe, just, and prosperous future for all.
Nitura pusinya tunai, bai fanuza mimisi.